First up the bat, number 16, Kayla Sedgwick.
Come on, Kayla!
Good luck, y'all. Good try, Leia.
You got to get through. There's no extension in that swing.
Let's go, Hayes.
No ball, 2 strikes.
Go, Hayes.
Batting number 47, Alice Kelly.
Good job, Alex.
Up the bat, number 53, Michaela Foster.
Nice move. Good job, Bill.
Now batting, number 42, Dean Greer.
Go, Hayes. Nice move, nice move. Let's go now. Be ready, infield.
Come on, baby.
Nice pitch.
Your pitch only.
Good job.
We're looking to drive. Yeah, we're looking for a job. All right. You down. This is your team striking in.
Let's go now. Let's go.
Let's go.
2 ball, 1 strike.
Go, Hayes.
Got the 7!
Short up protect. Got bunny ears.
2 ball, 2 strikes.
Good job. Good job. Good job, Hayes.
Now batting, number 27, Casey Peters. Now batting, number 2, Chloe Golster.
2 out now, number 1. Still, let's get these out. Let's go. Watch hands, dude.
Hey, get on your horse.
But nice pitch. Go, Hayes. Go, Hayes.